Why does Python start counting from 0 instead of 1? And why can we use negative numbers to access list elements? By the end of this video, you'll know the answer to both questions and you'll completely understand Python list indexing with simple examples. Let's get started. In the previous videos, we learned what Python lists are and how to create them. Now let's learn how to access a particular element from a list. To do that, Python uses something called indexing. Let's understand indexing with the help of one example. In the first line, we are creating a list named fruits that contains 5 elements. This line prints the complete list. Now, what is indexing? Every element stored inside a list has its own position. This position is called an index. Python uses the index number to locate and access an element. There are two types of indexing, positive and negative. Let's understand positive indexing. Positive indexing starts from the beginning of the list. The first element always has index 0. The second element has index 1 and so on. Now, why does Python start counting from 0? You might be wondering, why doesn't Python start from 1? Python follows zero-based indexing, which is the standard used by many programming languages such as C, C++, Java, and JavaScript. Starting from 0 makes it easier and more efficient for Python to locate elements in memory. So whenever you work with lists, remember that the first element is always at index 0. In this line, index 0 returns the first element. Index 1 returns the second element. Index 2 returns the third element. Index 3 returns the fourth element. Index 4 returns the fifth element. Now, negative indexing. Let's understand negative indexing. Instead of counting from the beginning, Python can also count from the end of the list. The last element always has index -1. Now, you might be thinking, why do we even need negative indexes? Imagine a list of 1000 elements. If you want the last element, you first need to know its positive index. But with negative indexing, you don't have to count anything. Simply write -1 and Python immediately gives you the last element. That's why negative indexing is very useful. Negative index -1 returns the last element. Negative index -2 returns the second last element. Negative index -3 returns the third last element. Negative index -4 returns the fourth last element. And negative index -5 returns the fifth last element. Sometimes situations may arise where we encounter an index error in lists. Let's take one example. Our list contains only 5 elements. The valid positive indexes are 0 to 4. Since index 5 doesn't exist, Python raises an error. Index error, list index out of range. Let's take index -6. Similarly, the valid negative indexes are -1 to -5. Since -6 is outside the valid range, Python again raises an index error. Remember, for a list containing n elements, positive indexes range from 0 to n-1 and negative indexes range from -1 to -n. For our list of 5 elements, positive indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Negative indexes are -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. So today we learned what is indexing, positive indexing, negative indexing and index error. I hope Python list indexing is crystal clear now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy Python tutorials. In the next video, we'll learn Python list slicing, where you'll access multiple elements from a list using just one line of code. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!